In December last year, when Qualcomm announced its Snapdragon 865 SoC at the annual Tech Summit, Xiaomi's co-founder Lin Bin announced that the Xiaomi Mi 10 would be one of the first smartphones to launch with Snapdragon 865. From past few weeks, we are getting a lot of leaks and rumors related to the Xiaomi Mi 10 as well as the Mi 10 Pro. While it is still not confirmed officially if there is a Pro version as well, the leaks suggest that there definitely is one. Today, a leak might just have given us the very first look at the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro and also its launch date. These images were shared by a user on /leaks, and he claims that this is how the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro is going to look like. This new leak has confused everyone now because previously it was rumored that there is a punch hole display with dual selfie cameras and a quad camera setup on the rear placed on the top left. This leak, however, shows that the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro has a full screen design with no notch or holes. Moreover, the display is curved on the sides, just like the Xiaomi's Mi Note 10. The question now arises where Xiaomi put the selfie camera. There are two answers for it. Either there is a pop-up selfie camera or there is an in-display selfie camera. The in-display selfie camera is something that is not likely to come with the Mi 10 Pro because it is still a new technology and not perfected yet. Flipping the phone over, the design is completely new this time if we compare it to any other Xiaomi phone launched so far. This time Xiaomi has gone for a circular camera setup design that a few companies have tried like OnePlus and Huawei. Due to the quality of the image, it is hard to say how many cameras are there on the rear. But as per many leaks, there is a quad camera setup on the back with a primary 108 megapixel camera. Finally, this leak reveals that the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro is launching on February 23rd. One interesting thing that makes us believe that this is not a fake leak is the presence of the logo for Xiaomi's 10th anniversary on the top. This logo was also shared by Xiaomi's co-founder Li Jun in the beginning of January, so to celebrate the 10th anniversary, Xiaomi may launch the Mi 10 Pro with the same design as shown in the leak. Well, it still cannot be said if this leak is false or not, so consider it with a pinch of salt. Anyways, what do you think of this design for the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.